typewriter, right? Let's see what is inside. Special Royal Futura dust cover. Royal Futura. Okay. Have to remove this cover. There is a certificate, Royal Portable serial number 2A, A model, right? And then another thing. It's performance, certificate of the performance. The serial number same, right? 2A4509A63, right? Yeah. And then they check the align, and then some letters, the margin, and then tap backspace, and then test of line lock and the margin release. Yeah, they got everything, original one. That's the today topic. Case is also very clean, right? It looks like a brand new. Okay, typewriter also very clean, but I didn't clean the inside yet. Just open, but it's very clean, right? Let's see more detail. According to the typewriter database, this one was manufactured in 1961. So last Quiet Deluxe model disconnected in 1959. So that means this one, after the disconnecting the Quiet Deluxe model. So first, I guess the Futura 800 a 2A model was introduced 1958. So this one is a little bit later one, it's a 3 year later one. This is a very unique, couple unique thing compared to the previous model, Quiet Deluxe. The first is they changed the what is it called, the serial number. Normally the A model just start with the A, right? But this one is a 2A, start with the 2A. So that's the one more thing. And then there is a very fancy margin, matching margin. And then this one is also because they changed the shell totally. And then touch feeling is a little bit different, but still, I think until this model, the feeling is very good. But after this, they changed one more 1968. 1963. This model become the Safari SA model. So Safari SA model, the flat top, right? Around here, flat top. This is a little bit bulky and then round. Safari is, I already reviewed like 2 years ago. Safari is flat, and then the metal is like how can I say, little bit, they got a little bit more room. So every time when I hit the key, sound is a little bit weird, and then also mechanism is a little bit different. I mean the feeling is a little bit different. So I like this one much better. And then this one is, as you know, the just name is magic column set, but it's just tap set, right? Let's see. Okay, tap, and then we can clear. Then this time we can pass this tap. See, and then we can set again around here, and then you can see the tap. See, yeah, very easy one. This the what is it called, the magic margin, exactly work like Hermes 300. I mean 3000. See, we can go here, and then we wanna set up here the left margin. Then just push it. Then we cannot go no more, right? So in order to go back, push it and then push like this, and then around here set up. Then after that we can go exactly that much. Yeah, it's exactly same, right? So more you wanna go more this way, push it, and then more, then set up here. That means that's the margin, left margin. See, yeah, exactly the same with the Hermes. Yeah. And then one more unique thing, this one. Did you see the behind the letter? Royal Futura 800. Okay, very clean, cosmetically, mechanically. This one is a very good, excellent condition. See, it looks like a brand new. Also, it has a original document. Another very unique thing is a typeface. Let's see the Royal Futura 800, right? Okay. And then the typeface, see, the quick brown. Yeah, this typeface called Merit. It's a standard typeface for this machine, only for this machine. So this machine has this typeface, I guess. See, it's very close to the Congress speaker or Congress typeface. Not exactly, but especially E. It's beautiful. It's E. What is the E? See? Yeah. E is a very beautiful shape. E. Okay. Yeah. One thing you should know about this typewriter: in order to open this cover, don't do that. It should make broken. Just push this Noya log, then like this. It's a very important thing. And then the ribbon color choice was here. Okay, like this. Yeah, this is stencil, black, red. So this is another thing. And then touch control move into here. The before version is around here, right? So don't forget this one. Just push it, then cover open. And then this the platen also is very good condition. Looks like a brand new. See, it's not where any we cannot see. We cannot find anywhere. See, it looks like a brand new. Yeah. So the seller also gave me a discount. I don't know, at the time I thought something wrong, but it was very good. Also there is extra debone. Also, there are documents and then some documents and then manual. We have Futura manual, and then also there is a lot of extra paper, old stock. See, so I didn't realize at the time it was include everything. So she gave me a discount, or actually the lady list this one, but her husband or boyfriend, I don't know, he sell this one to me. Also, we got this one. See, yeah. So it's a magnetic, so like this. Lowy type, the name of the company. See, call here, supply for supply. Yeah. So I wanna thank you for this, the seller, because he gave him a very good price, and then condition is very good. I don't know at the time, one more thing, something wrong, but I fixed it very easily. I cannot remember, but anyway, I wanna say thank you again. This one is really good. Like it's we compare to the Quiet Deluxe. This one is exactly same quality, or very a little bit maybe better. I don't know. Yeah. Anyway, I like this one. All right. Thank you for watching.